Friends, yesterday there were 13 companies or 13 stocks that went past the or hit the 20% upper circuit mark. The list are in detail here. Indef Manufacturing Limited, industrial machinery and equipment specialized in manufacture of parts systems of various industries, including cement, oil and gas, engineering sectors. Then you have Somany Ceramics Limited, offering a wide range of residential and commercial spaces like ceramic tiles and a wide variety of house residential products, innovative designs, and high quality materials. Then you have Wealth First Portfolio Managers. Company offers wealth management and investment advisory services to individuals and institutions. Then you have HP Stock Holdings Limited. It's a financial services company, offers a wide range of variety of services such as investment banking, stock broking, and wealth management. Sorry, excuse me. Then you have Oriental Carbon and Chemicals Limited. I think we did this in a separate topic in one of my videos. It's in the space of chemicals, focusing on rubber chemicals. There's a certain amount of anti-dumping duty that has been applied by the government, which is going to uh, create the local sector manufacturers within India an opportunity to be competitive, so that the cheap imported sulfuric acid and sulfur used in tires would be more competitive compared to the imported dumped products. Then you have Aerolam Limited. The Oriental Carbon Chemicals has gone up almost 45-50% in the last 2-3 sessions since Monday. Then you have Aerolam Limited, decorative laminates, manufacturing high quality systems for both commercial and residential use. Then you have Divyadhan Recycle Industries, manufacturing highest quality products for discerning customers. DRIL sister concerns have operations in polyester, yarn, spinning, home textiles, pharmaceutical instruments, and real estate. GeoSail Corporation Limited is engaged in business of energetics, mining and infrastructure services and realty. It has served the Indian mining and infrastructure industry for 60 years. Then Hybrid Financial Services Limited is a financial advisory and investment firm offering a wide range of services such as wealth management, portfolio management, and financial consulting to clients. Creative Eye Limited, it's an entertainment company in the production of television content, films, and other media projects, known for its contributions to the Indian television and film industry. Then you have Capri Gold Capital Limited. It's an NBFC company, provides financial services including loans, microfinancing, and other capital services. Company is accessible for providing focused financial solutions for a wide range of customers. And OCCL Limited, also something very similar to Orient Carbon and Chemical Limited. However, this is a distribution of chemicals and allied products. The main focus is on manufacturing various chemical products for industrial use. So the code name for the two companies, Orient uh, Carbon and Chemical and OCC Limited, are very similar. So the companies are different, though they are in similar kind of product manufacturing. But there is a space between OCCL Limited for Orient Carbon, and there is no space between OCCL Limited for the code that is on the NSE for the OCCL Limited. So last but not the least, then is Williamson Macor, industrial conglomerate with interest in multiple sectors such as tea, engineering, and financial services. Both operates in local and international markets. We won't look at the prices directly. We'll go through the disclaimer, then we'll go through the pricing and the percentage movement that the companies have made in the last 5 days and the last 1 month. So all investment opinions and recommendations mentioned are solely those of the respective experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. These views do not reflect any personal opinion or advice. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial losses. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any losses resulting from the decisions based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor broker before making any investment decisions. Uh, just a minute. Right. Hmm. Okay. The first one you can see is Indef Manufacturing. Bajaj Indef is the code. Probably it was known as Bajaj Indef Manufacturing Limited. Currently, you can see last 5 days it had has added 70% value in the last 1 month, 104%. We'll need to go into a detailed analysis of why these companies have hit a 20% upper circuit in the last few days or the last 2 days. We don't exactly know the reason, whether it is just because of the financial performance or it is the industry growth of their particular sector, which is driving the growth in value for these companies. So anyone who has a keen interest in analysis and willing to do some analytical and research based on these companies and share any inputs with everyone in the group would be highly grateful. So Somany Ceramics, 22% in the last 5 days, 23% in the last 1 month, 40. Okay, so this is another company. Then we move on to Wealth First Portfolio, 48% in the last 5 days, 40% in the last 1 month. Then we have uh, I think what's the name of this company? I think it's HB Stock Holdings Limited. 22% gain in the last 5 days, 18.5% in the last 1 month. You can see then Oriental Carbon and Chemicals Limited. This is OCCL as the code. There's no limited after this. You can see today 5% up today, overall 50% up in the last 5 days, and overall 80% value add in the last 1 month. Then you have Aero Lam Limited, 28% return in the last 5 days, 40% in the last 1 month. Then you have Dipiadan Recycle Industries. Current price is 58 rupees, high of 96, low of 36. Return on capital employed is 22%. Face value is 10 rupees. You can see the graph in the last 5 days, or last 1 month rather. You can see the stock which was under 40 rupees. It went up to around 43 rupees. 42 rupees at the end of May, and in the last 3 4 days you can see the stock has jumped from 40 to almost 58 rupees. So it's a huge jump in the last 1 month. You can see almost 50% return here as well in the last 1 month, something that you should keep a track of. Then you have GOCL Corporation Limited. You can see 21% return in the last 5 days, 38% in the return in the last 1 month. Then you have Hybrid Financial Services, 7% value add today. The stock is low price, so it's a good opportunity for you all to research, look into the stock, see, consult a financial expert or a broker to see if there is value add that this company can offer over a long period of time. So it's a financial service provider, and maybe you need to check what kind of financial services it provides, and if it has any big clients, definitely it could add a long-term value to your portfolio. Then 74% in the last 5 days. So you can see the stock was trending at about 12 rupees 5 days ago. It has jumped almost to 22 rupees, giving you a 75% return in the last 5 days, which is something that a dream come true for many of us. But however, again, we need to see those holding the benefit from it, and there is a possibility that the stock would correct. People would want to book some profit if they've been holding the stock for a very long time. 100% return in the last 1 month, which is something that everybody would dream of such a stock. Then you have Creative Eye. Today you can see it's down by about 5% overall, 52% return in the last 5 days. So there is a chance of further correction. People would want to book some profit because it's a low value stock, and prospects of future business would depend on how the company would perform. So important to keep a track of what sort of products that the company manufactures and services that they offer. Based on that only, would it be advisable to invest in such a stock, because this is a penny stock and it could be highly volatile depending on the shareholding pattern and the current trend of financials the company is into. Then we move on to the next one. Overall, you can see 66% return by Creative in the last 1 month. Then you have Capri Global Limited, 2% up today, 19% up in the last 5 days, 9.2% return in the last one. Then we have OCCL. This is with the limited NSE code. You can see almost 2% up today. Then you can see 18% up in the last 5 days, 49% return in the last 1 month, which is almost 50. You can see the overall value add for Wilson Macor today is about 0.88%, in the last 5 days 22%, and in the last 1 month is 28%. So you can see overall the company has done given quite a decent amount of return in the last 1 month. So though the stock value is pretty low, so something that can be looked into, not a high value item. It could be considered as a penny stock because it has a low value and it has shown some trends that it could be a good bull run depending on the financials and what is the current trend of this company in the sector growth and what is the growth perspectives of this particular sector. So friends, thank you for watching. This is all for today for this particular video. We'll try and share another video with more information, with more details soon. So please let me know how you like the content of this video, and any further ways to improve such information would be highly beneficial to everyone. So please let me know how I can improve the overall content of my video, and overall we try to improve the information that we share across. So thank you for watching once again. We'll connect with another video very soon.